Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. Today, we're diving into the Fnirsi 2C53T, a compact 2-channel 50 MHz oscilloscope, true RMS multimeter, and yes, it even includes a built-in signal generator. This tool might just be the perfect companion for electronics enthusiasts and field engineers. Let's dive straight into the box and see what comes with the Fnirsi 2C53T. Inside the box, first up, we've got the main unit, compact, sturdy, and surprisingly lightweight. Next, we get two standard P60-100 oscilloscope probes, rated for 100 MHz, a nice touch considering the device itself is 50 MHz. A cable with crocodile clips terminating in a BNC connector. There's a pair of multimeter probes for traditional measurements. You also get a USB-C charging/data cable, a user manual, and a calibration tool for fine adjustments. A complete kit that's portable, functional, and ready to go straight out of the box. Taking a closer look at the 2C53T, you'll notice it features a large 2.8-inch TFT color screen, clearly displaying waveforms and data. Dual-channel oscilloscope, 50 MHz bandwidth, 200 MSA/S sampling rate. Built-in signal generator, up to 50 kHz. 9999 count true RMS multimeter. Built-in 3000 mAh rechargeable battery, USB-C charging. 2.8-inch TFT color display. Compact and portable. The 2C53T is compact, well-labeled, and feels surprisingly durable for its price. Everything is controlled using a simple button interface and intuitive UI. Now let's hook it up and see how it performs as an oscilloscope. We've connected a 1 kHz sine wave from a signal generator to channel 1. The waveform is crisp, and the response time is smooth. You can easily adjust voltage per division, time base, and trigger modes using the side controls. It supports dual-channel display, useful for comparing signals or checking phase differences. For hobbyists and field technicians, the performance here is more than enough for low to mid-frequency signal diagnostics. Now here's something really exciting, the built-in signal generator. The Fnirsi 2C53T can output 13 standard signal waveforms like sine wave, square wave, sawtooth wave, half wave, full wave, step wave, reverse step wave, index up, index decrease, direct current, multi-audio, sync pulse, Lorentz wave, up to 50 kHz frequency. You can control the amplitude and frequency using the onboard buttons. This is super useful for testing amplifier stages, filters, or injecting test signals into circuits. We've connected the signal generator output to channel 1, and as you can see, the waveform is clean and stable. This built-in function saves you the cost and desk space of owning a separate function generator. Now let's switch to multimeter mode and check out its features. This device performs standard measurements like DC/AC voltage, resistance, capacitance, frequency, diode testing, and continuity, with good speed and accuracy. AC voltage testing. First, we'll measure an AC voltage source. Always ensure you're using the appropriate settings and safety precautions when working with AC voltages. DC voltage testing. Next, let's measure a DC voltage source, such as a battery. Ensure correct polarity when connecting the probes. Resistance testing. Now, we'll measure the resistance of a resistor. Ensure the circuit is de-energized before measuring resistance. Continuity testing. Continuity testing helps verify if a circuit is complete. An audible beep indicates continuity. Diode testing. Finally, we'll test a diode to check its forward voltage drop and verify its functionality. Capacitance testing. Let's measure the capacitance of a capacitor. Ensure the capacitor is fully discharged before testing. You can also test temperature and measure current up to 10 amperes. The readings are quick and accurate, comparable to most entry-level standalone multimeters, but here, it's part of the same compact device. It's powered by a built-in 3,000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery and charges via USB-C, which is super convenient. The plastic shell feels durable and well-made. While it's not industrial-grade rugged, it can definitely handle bench work or field use with care. Pros and cons of Fnirsi 2C53T. Pros: oscilloscope, multimeter, and signal generator in one. Dual-channel scope with 50 MHz bandwidth. Intuitive, bright display. Portable and rechargeable. Budget-friendly. Cons: no storage for waveform captures. Not suitable for high-frequency signals. Build quality feels basic, not lab-grade. So, is the Fnirsi 2C53T worth it? The Fnirsi 2C53T is a feature-packed tool for under $100. Perfect for hobbyists, students, and techs who need both signal visualization and basic waveform generation on the go. If you've ever wanted a compact bench in your pocket, this could be it. Want to grab the Fnirsi 2C53T for yourself? Check out the official buying link in the description below and get started with your own compact lab. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and let me know in the comments what you'd test with the Fnirsi 2C53T. Thanks for watching. See you next time.